So today we have a question of H.C. Verma, and it is of rotational motion, and it is a very good question and can be asked in JEE or NEET. Yes, very standard question. So the question is, there is a solid sphere and it is placed on a rough surface, and a force is applied tangentially, as you can see. Yes, and this force generates a rotational effect, obviously, and it has a acceleration, alpha angular acceleration. All of these things are given, so we have to find the expression for a in terms of its external force, that is capital F, mass, that is small m, and radius, that is capital R. And also friction is acting towards the direction of force applied, because when this rolls, this becomes, ये पीछे जाएगा, तो फ्रिक्शन हमेशा अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगता है. यस, सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से दैट हम यहाँ से कैसे इसको निकालेंगे. सो ए को निकालने के लिए देखिए ये रोलिंग हो रही है. सो फॉर रोलिंग वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व टू काइंड ऑफ मोशन सेपरेटली, दैट इज one rotation, one translation. Yes, from that we can identify the rolling motion. Yes, so first of all, translation motion by Newton's second law of motion. Net force acting on a system is equals to mass times acceleration. Net force is capital F plus small f, mass into acceleration. This is equation 1. Now from rotation we can say that net torque is equals to I into alpha. So I for solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. Alpha is a by r. Yes. So now net torque. Torque is perpendicular distance into force. So perpendicular distance r क्रॉस एफ, दैट इज़ आर इंटू एफ, माइनस क्यों, क्योंकि ये दोनों अपोजिट इफेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. यस, सो दिस बिकम्स दिस. सो यहाँ से क्या करेंगे हम, अल्फ़ा की जगह ए बाय आर लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड ए, सो वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन ए. सो ए बाय आर. सो सारी मैथमेटिक्स करेंगे एंड वी गेट अनदर इक्वेशन, f minus small f equals to 2 by 5 into ma. First equation is this, second is this. Add both, we get 2f equals to ma plus 2 by 5 ma. So 2f equals to 7 by 5 ma, f equals to 7 by 10 ma. Yes, so we have to find a. So a becomes 10f upon 7 m. I hope you understand this question. So मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. थैंक यू.